Here in this video, we are going to talk about our daily routine, which is the most common ways to practice English. Here, it's a very important to remember. Daily routine is something which we do on a regular basis. So we use only present simple tense. Remember, no other tenses. You might be wondering, why do we use only simple present tense to tell our daily routine? The answer is daily routine described as a regular, repetitive, or habitual actions which happens regularly or generally true. That's why we use simple present tense. As a beginner, whenever you have to tell about your daily routine, always divide your routine into four categories: the morning routine, afternoon routine, evening routine, and night routine. If you divide like this, it will be easier for you to explain. So, without further delay, let's start with the morning routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I take a shower and get ready. I have my breakfast at 8 a.m. I go to school at 9 a.m. I attend my classes and study English. And in afternoon, I have my lunch at 1 p.m. After lunch, I continue my classes or do my homework. I come back home at 4 p.m. Then I relax for some times and watch TV. In evening, I play with my friends. Then I help my parents. I have dinner with my family at 8 p.m. At night, I study for an hour. Then I make a to-do list for the next day. Before going to bed, I pray for a while. Finally, at 9:40 p.m., I go to sleep. Here is the quick reminder we use in with the morning, afternoon, and evening, and we use at with the night. Always remember this point. Now it's your turn. Now think about your own routine. What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do in evening? And finally, what do you do before bed? And try your best to use the connector words like first, then, after that, sometimes, finally. That's it. And wait a second. If you are not a student, then modify these sentences accordingly. Or if you want a video as per your profession, then just comment down below. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Thank you. See you soon.